Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you a story about Prophet Saleh A.S and a camel. Once upon a time in the tribe of Thamud, there lived strong people. They built houses on mountains, but they were very bad. They did not worship Allah, and evilness became common. Fortunately, there was a good man named Saleh Salam. Everybody liked him. He was known for his wisdom. He was a prophet of Allah. When Saleh Salam told them about Islam, they refused him. They wanted to worship their own idols, and they wanted a sign to show that he was a true prophet. Just then, a mountain nearby started to collapse and something came out of it. Can you guess what came out of it? You have 3 seconds. If you said a camel, then you're right. A miracle camel came out of the mountain, and she was so big. Some people believed him, and some people. A new schedule started. The one day the camel could drink all the water, and on the other day the people could drink the water. The camel drank so much water from the well, and the people could hardly get some. Even though the camel drank lots of water, they provided lots of milk for. She provided lots of milk for her baby and the people. But the people still didn't like it. They planned to kill the camel, so they killed the camel. Prophet Saleh A.S was very sad. He said that he wanted that they would have 3 chances left, and if they didn't forgive him these 3 chances, they would 3 days. A big punishment will be there to destroy them all. They still didn't listen. On the first day, their faces turned yellow. On the second day, their faces turned red. On the third day, their faces turned black. They thought it was the sign, the warnings of the punishment, but they still didn't listen. Then a big sound wave came to the people of Thamud and destroyed them and their strong houses all. Prophet Saleh and his followers left and never returned. That's the end of the story. Bye.